Now say this is the cube made of here the wires having the resistances R. Every side has got the equal resistance small r. Now we have to calculate the net resistance between A and G diagonally to opposite corners. So now for calculation of the resistance we use Kirchhoff's law and we connect here a cell of EMF E across these two ends between A and G here. Now suppose from here the current I is flowing and going to the junction point here A. Now from A to G there are the three possible paths. One is ABFG, another one is ADCG and another one is AJHG. These three are symmetrical path having the same number of the resistances in the path. So we can take equal current in all the three paths. So we can take here I upon 3, here I upon 3 and here I upon 3. Now if you come to the point B here, again there is a BCG and BFG, these two are equal paths, current I upon 3 is coming here. So it is divided into two equal parts, that is I by 6 and I upon 6. Similarly at the D, there is a DCG and DHG, two equal paths. So we can take equal current I by 6 and I by 6. Similarly at the J, there are the two equal paths JHG and JFG. So we can take two equal current I by 6 and I by 6. And H, I by 6 from here, I by 6 from here, these two currents are added, that is I by 3. At F, I by 6, I by 6, that is also I upon 3. And here at C, this is also I upon 3. And the total current is here I. So this is here the distribution of the current. While distribution of the current, I have taken care of the number of the resistance coming into the path, and by this way distribution of current has been done. So now let us see here how do we calculate the resistance by taking the loops. So now we will take the loop A, B, C, G, E, A and apply Kirchhoff's law. So A to B we can write here minus I upon 3R, B to C we can write minus I upon 6R, C to G we can write minus I by 3R, and here no potential drop and this cell plus E is equal to 0. So by solving it we can write E is equal to 5IR upon 6. This is the first equation. Let the total resistance between A and G be R. So the total resistance between A and G be R. So we can write here E is equal to IR according to just Ohm's law. So now using these first and second equation we can write IR is equal to 5IR upon 6 and this I and I will get cancelled. So you will be getting R is equal to 5R upon 6. So this is the total resistance between A and G.